Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve hashtags not showing on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve hashtags not showing on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to Facebook and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.